Good morning. It's another day. Yay. What's up, guys? Hopefully we'll have a good day today. Yesterday was awesome. Stayed up last night a little bit. Trying to finish some editing and putting the editor on my laptop. Anyways, today we're going to get the new camera coming up, so hopefully that's going to be awesome. Let's see how the day goes. Good morning, Mom Chick.
Good morning, Pop Chick.
You want sauce? Go got him.
Got it. I got it.
Okay. Which sauce do you want? Oh, I know what sauce you like. This one. Ooh. This one?
Yeah.
That's right. Shake it up. Is that good? Marcus, what happened? We just lost power, guys. Nothing works. The computer shut off. Mila's coffee was just making and it didn't finish. She's gonna be a grumpy lady. At least we cooked our breakfast. Marcus, what are we gonna do with no power?
I guess we have to call Gadget.
Whoa, it's back on. Whoa, that's so crazy. Are you happy?
Oh, the power is off and it's like a poop.
Yeah.
I know.
What you doing with that carpet, dude?
Huh?
What you doing with that carpet?
Around.
You gonna play cars on it?
You
Wow, that looks so cool.
stepped it.
You can drive on it.
Bob stepped it.
Okay, I'll step it. Oh, so cozy. All right, guys, we're in the garage. Hey, Mark. We're gonna build some shelves in the kids' room so they can have more storage over there. Okay, Marcus is building the shelf.
Hey, like this one?
Yeah, that's right. Stick it in there hard. Good job. Now just put the rest in and then we'll stack it up. All right, so we're gonna push it over there, babe. All right, good job, Marcus.
Thank you.
Well, it looks like it kind of matches the theme of the room. Those are actually old shelves from before that we had in the garage. Marcus, what you want to do with that paper?
No, not fit.
Let me see.
No,
He wants to send it through this.
no, it's not a fit.
It's a laminator. Let's see what happens to the paper. It's going in, Mark. Why are you closing your ears? You think it's going to explode? It's coming out. Look at it. Touch it.
It's not hot?
It's warm.
Oh, Papa, look.
So I'm just sitting here editing.
No.
Mila's doing some laminating. Marcus is playing with the laminator and sending paper
Mom,
through
look.
it.
It's not cricket.
It's not cricket. It looks a little crooked. What you doing, hon? Lamination for the school. Well, whatever you want to call this. Is it a school?
Yeah.
Homeschool. I'm editing our next video, which is with the GoPro. You want to see something cool?
Yeah.
Well, it's not that cool, but.
You're so strong.
What you want, cheese?
Yeah.
Marcus, where are we going?
Nowhere.
Yes, we are. Where are we going?
Not scary.
Dr. Gary, that's right. He's gonna fix our backs?
Yeah. And
He's gonna crack our backs, yeah? Yeah, let's go. So Marcus, what happened?
Huh?
Maxie pushed you? Aw, you okay? You guys were playing and Mexico pushed you and you fell off the bed? Hey Marcus, we're here.
Let's go.
You ready to get your back cracked?
Max.
You're not even listening to me. Alright, let's go. He's not having a good day.
Papa.
We're here. And we're going to Dr.
Jerry.
Gary. Marcus says, Dr. Gary? Going to Dr.
Hey,
Gary's
Papa.
office.
Papa.
Chiropractor.
Hey, Papa.
Get our back crossed. And Mila's coming too, obviously. And I just like the car. Hey, Marcus wants to do some neck exercise. No, let it go, let it go. Wait for it. I'm gonna tie it up, okay?
Now?
Well, actually, hold on. Put it on your neck. Put it underneath your neck. No, no, no. Like this. Pick it up. Up. There you go, like that. Wait for it. Let me tie it up. Okay, go. Oh. Mila's doing her stretching exercises before the cracking.
Papa, look.
Why is everything blurry?
Papa, see over here. Papa.
Get ready to get crack or ruskies. Number 51s. Look at this, guys.
Read in a minute, and then Dr. Gary, as soon as he's done adjusting, he'll come out to introduce himself to you. Okay? You're right there.
Shifts there that I was talking about. So it goes over, and that reversal right there.
Marcus is getting ready to get adjusted. Mm-hmm.
How's that? Good?
He's turn.
Good job.
What's up, Mark? Maxie, come on. Come here. Well, we just got cracked. Did you like it? Did you feel good? Marcus, I don't have the keys.
What?
I forgot it.
Where is he?
I forgot in Dr. Gary's office. Oh no, how are we gonna go home? Go get them. Ask Mama, maybe Mama has them. Hurry. So we cracked our bones and we're back home. Food. Oh, life is good, guys, when you got a chiropractor. Okay. Marcus is hearing something in the bathroom.
Yeah,
What is it?
I just heard something over here. See?
Where?
Right here.
Here?
Yeah.
In the bathroom?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, that's Mama washing dishes.
Huh?
That's the water running. See, it's gone. Look at that. Yummies. What is this, hon? Scallops?
Yeah.
Sea Trek Gold. What do? Put butter in them? Whoa. Are you serious?
Yep.
Good night. Nice hand, by the way. No wonder we can never lose weight. Look at that butter, guys. Yummy.
Well, that's what it tells me, the direction. Yeah, that's supposed to be more, by the way. It's supposed to be a whole steak, but I actually put a little bit.
Okay, Marcus, say bye to Mama.
That's fine. Bye. Bye.
Mama going to the store. See you later, hon. Be safe.
See you guys. Come on.
Mama's gonna go get us some sparkling water gas. Well, the mail guy just arrived with some kind of laser ship mail. Anyways, from Amazon. I was waiting for this guy right here. That's just a shredder. I don't even know if you guys seen the trash bag later out our previous videos. That's actually full of paper. That's like documents and stuff that we need to shred, I guess. So we got a shredder in here. And this is the Panasonic camera that I'm wanting to replace with this GoPro that I got because I'm not enjoying it. So it's kind of exciting. I'll just pull that out of the box. Panasonic LX7. So it's like a compact camera. It's not tiny, but it's, you know, small. It's medium small, I guess I would say. I don't know. I'm gonna do a quick opening here with, got a CD. Mila's not home, so Gotta do a one-hand thing. Looks like a manual. And a box here. And all the little goodies looks like. Charger box. Battery. Oh, it's a pretty small battery. Of course, it's bigger than a GoPro's battery. A little bit bigger, not much though. Looks like an adapter cable. And the beauty himself. Himself, I guess. Oh, man. Can't get it out of here. Look at that thing. So as I was playing with the camera, the kids are getting kind of bored. So we actually ordered this other box here, which is a shredder, but they don't know what a shredder is.
Nice.
We're about to open it, and so we're gonna put them to work. Guess what's in there? Whoa! What is that? Look at it! Whoa! Man, it's so heavy.
Papa, what is that?
It's an Amazon Basics shredder to cut paper. You want to cut some paper?
Yeah.
Let's do it. Okay, Marcus is excited about
This one?
shredding some paper. That's too big. Let's start with something small. Man, what kind of stuff is in here? Here, try these stickers.
Okay.
See if they'll shred. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Mark, what's going on? Is that awesome? Buddy, it's too heavy. It's too heavy for you, dude. Oh, you see it?
Come out.
Nice. Okay, he's excited. This trash bag is gonna be gone in an hour or less for sure. So Mila came home and she's helping Marcus shred that whole bag right there of like bills and stuff that has all our information on there. That's why we're shredding it. Come on, I'll show you. Got the water out. We got this new CO2 bottle. Now we just got to put it in. Put the CO2 tank in, or the bottle, whatever. Now we're gonna put this, right, Mark? Thank you. Just put it in there and you wait. Oh man, come on. It's hard to do with one hand. You excited?
Now?
No, wait, not yet. Hold on, let me tighten it. Okay, that's pretty tight. Fast. Okay. Good job. You're supposed to hear like 3 pop or releases. All right, we did one.
Hey, Papa, this?
Open it. Oh, look at that. Soda bottles. This is enjoying his sparkling water.
I don't drink it.
Well, I guess we're gonna end the vlog for today. It was an awesome day. What did we do today? I don't remember nothing. It was crazy. Oh, the new camera came in today. Yeah, it was like towards the nighttime. But that was fun.
Papa.
So maybe.
Papa.
Oh wait, we're getting tent tomorrow on the Volt. Yes, finally.
Finally.
Tent. Anyways.
Papa, can you pick me up?
Say bye, Marcus. We're saying bye.
Bye.
Bye. Alright guys, we'll see you tomorrow. Sun is still a little bit high. It's beautiful. There's a dude taking a nap down there. It's kind of funny.